Anthropic just gave away thousands of dollars worth of official Claude training, 22 full courses, free, real certificates that land on LinkedIn, and almost every article you've read about it is wrong. Most blogs still say 13 courses. The big YouTube videos that broke it down, 13. The ranked by time saved lists, 13. I just counted them on the live page. There are 22, and 5 of them are the most useful courses in the entire catalog, and nobody's talking about them. So here's what I'm going to do in the next 10 minutes. I'll show you what's in the Academy. I'll walk you through the one thing that stops most people from starting. Then I'll do something nobody else has done. I'll tell you which 3 courses to take based on what you're trying to do, not based on what's popular. If you want all 22 courses mapped to your role on one page, there's a free PDF in the description. No email gate, just the download. Let's go. So what is the Anthropic Academy? Anthropic launched it on March 2nd, 2026. It lives on a learning platform called Skilljar. The courses are self-paced, they're built by the people who built Claude, they're broken into 5 tracks: AI fluency, product training, developer, cloud, and foundational knowledge. Every course awards an Anthropic-issued certificate when you finish. That certificate has a verification URL that imports straight into the licenses and certification section of your LinkedIn profile. Now here's where I have to clear something up, because it's confusing a lot of people. The Academy certificate is not the same as the Claude Certified Architect exam. The CCA is a separate paid program Anthropic announced 10 days after the Academy launched. That one's an exam, it costs money, targeted at partners and enterprise architects. The Academy certs are different. They prove you completed the training, they're free, and for most people, that's exactly what you need.
Before we get to the decision tree, the sign up, this is the part most YouTube videos skip, and it's the part that stops the most people from even starting. You go to anthropic.skilljar.com, you click sign in at the top right, you create a Skilljar account. Not an Anthropic account, not a Claude account, separate account, just for the learning platform. Email, password, name, done. Skilljar verifies your email. You click the link, you're in. The course catalog opens, you pick a course, you hit enroll, you start. That's it, there's no waitlist, there's no paywall, hiding behind a free trial. Anthropic isn't going to upsell you on a subscription in lesson 3. You enroll, you watch, you finish, you get the cert.
Now the trap. Most videos about the Academy just list the courses in order and tell you to pick the popular ones. That's the wrong frame. The right question isn't which course is most popular. The right question is, what am I trying to do with Claude, and which 3 courses get me there fastest? Here are the 22 courses in the catalog as of July 22nd, 2026. So let me give you the actual map. 22 courses, 20 plus hours of training, all free.
In the Foundations and AI Fluency track, you've got Claude 101, AI Fluency Framework and Foundations, AI Fluency for Educators, AI Fluency for Students, AI Fluency for Nonprofits, AI Fluency for Small Businesses, Teaching AI Fluency and AI Capabilities and Limitations in Product and Workflow. You've got Introduction to Claude Cowork and Introduction to Agent Skills. In Developer and Claude Code, you've got Claude Code 101, Claude Code in Action, and Introduction to Subagents. In API and Protocol, you've got Building with the Claude API, Introduction to Model Context Protocol, and MCP Advanced Topics. And in Cloud and Enterprise, you've got Claude with Amazon Bedrock and Claude with Google Cloud's Vertex AI.
Now the decision tree. I'm going to give you 5 buckets. Pick the one closest to your role and take the 3 courses that I name. Bucket 1. You're a content creator. YouTube, podcasts, newsletters, courses. Take Claude 101 first. Take Introduction to Claude Cowork second. Take Introduction to Agent Skills third. Those 3 teach you to use Claude as a creative partner on your real files, then build reusable skills that automate the parts of your workflow you repeat every week. Bucket 2. You're a solopreneur, running a small business solo or with 1 or 2 helpers. Take AI Fluency for Small Businesses first, Claude 101 second, Cowork third. The small business course is brand new and barely covered anywhere on the internet. It's targeted directly at you. Bucket 3. You're a small business owner with a team. AI Fluency Framework, first to learn the framework. AI Fluency for Small Businesses, second to apply it. Teaching AI Fluency third so you can train your team on it. That's a leadership stacked. Bucket 4. You're an educator or a nonprofit leader. AI Fluency Framework first. Then either AI Fluency for educators or for nonprofits, depending on your role. Then teaching AI fluency. Same pattern. Learn the framework, apply it to your context, then teach it. Bucket 5. You're a curious beginner. AI capabilities and limitations first. Claude 101 second. AI Fluency Framework third. By the end of those three, you'll be ahead of 90% of people talking about AI on the internet. Notice I didn't tell anyone to take the developer or API courses. They're excellent, worth taking, but they're not the first three for non-developers. If you're not writing code, you don't need them yet. Okay, now the part that nobody else can show you. Course number 3 on that catalog is Introduction to Claude Cowork. Cowork is a feature of the Claude desktop app. It lets Claude work alongside you on your real files and your real projects. Not a chat window, a workspace.
I want you to look at this video. The script you're listening to right now was written in Cowork. The research was done in Cowork. The PDF in the description was built in Cowork. The edit guide my editor is going to follow, all of it built in Cowork.
The reason every other YouTube video about the Academy stops at 13 courses is they're not in Cowork. They can't see what I'm seeing. The course that teaches you to do this is sitting right there in the catalog, free, and most people are skipping it. Take Cowork, even if you don't think you'll use it. Last thing. Let's talk about whether the cert actually matters.
I want you to picture your LinkedIn profile. Down at the bottom, there's a section called Licenses and Certifications. Most people leave it empty. Some people stuff it with $5 Udemy certificates that nobody recognizes. When you finish an Anthropic Academy course, you get a verification URL. You add it to that section. Card on your profile says Anthropic, issued directly by the company that builds Claude.
In 2026, hiring managers know what Anthropic is. They know you didn't pay that $2,000 for a BootCamp aggregator certificate. You took the training from the source. Stack 3 of those certificates from one of the buckets I gave you, and you've moved your profile from interested in AI to trained by Anthropic. That's a real shift. Okay, here's where we land. 22 free courses. Pick your bucket, take your 3, add the certs to LinkedIn, then come back and take the rest. If you want the one-page PDF that maps all 22 courses to all the bucket, free download, no email. Hit subscribe if you want me to do the next one as soon as Anthropic adds more courses. The catalog grew from 13 to 22 in a few months. By next year, probably 30 plus. I'll see you in the next one.
Hey, you're still here. Here's a couple other videos about Claude. I highly recommend the Cowork.